The garbage truck just died in front of our house.
Huh. Look at, he's just sitting here waiting. I wonder how long he's gonna be here for. The guy's still here?
Yeah. I'll do that then.
Oh my god, you can. Wow. It's all good, dude. No problem. This happens.
Yeah, it happens.
What happened?
Down.
Just just a battery or just
No, just the truck complete. The engine.
the engine? Wow.
You know, it has too many computers and this is CNG.
Right. Has this happened a lot or?
Yeah.
What are the odds, you know? Right in front of my house. There's no hood. So this is how they pop the hood.